this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper squat with front raise. So we're going to pick up lighter dumbbells. I'm using my 5 pounds here. So we're going to start with our feet hip width apart. Toes to the front, shoulders are rolled back and down, core engaged. So as you squat down, you're going to have your palms facing down, and then lift your hands, your arms just up to your shoulder level, and slowly down. So down, and then up. So your arms should stay at your shoulder level, no higher than that. If you see me from the side, down, and then up. So for the squat, as you go down, your weight should be in your heels, not your toes. So make sure you don't do this. When you look down, your knees should be kept behind your toes. So hips are pushed back so that you feel the weight in your heels. Again, down. But make sure you don't lift your toes up like this. Keep your toes on the ground the whole time, but the weight slightly in your heels. And then up. From the front, down, and then up. So make sure you don't hold the dumbbells like this, keeping your wrists nice and straight. So that's it for today. Squat with front raise. Thank you so much, everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.